Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Coin Lady channel. The XRP ledger ecosystem is about to release Hook sidechain, a decentralized blockchain with unfathomable features built specifically to back XRP. Moreover, prior to the revelation of Finland's emails, XRP supporters believe the SEC wants to distance itself from Hinman. Is there a limit to how high XRP can go this week? At last, the significance of a fair notice and a possible compromise verdict in the Ripple litigation has been emphasized. Is there a chance that Ripple will win? To find out the rest, read on to the conclusion. Welcome to our Coin Lady channel, where we discuss recent developments in the world of XRP and other cryptocurrencies. With the announcement of plans to build a separate ledger built to support XRP as its native asset, the XRP ledger ecosystem is on the cusp of a revolutionary development. The introduction of a new ledger named the Hook sidechain, using XRP as its native asset, was been announced on Twitter by Jake, an independent Evernote evangelist and Hot Pocket developer. These new capabilities and uses will completely transform the XRP. You may recall that early this year, an XRP developer announced that a security assessment had been performed on the planned sidechain and that further improvements were in development. According to Jake's most recent post, the Hook sidechain will use the XRP consensus protocol to bring several new features, applications, and expansion possibilities that were not possible with the XRP ledger before. Jake noted how adding hooks would facilitate the creation and distribution of a wide range of products and features without the time and effort required to directly modify the underlying network. Without having to publish updates directly on Ripple, which may take up to a month to even show up on the network for voting, Jake showed that developers can use hooks to design and deploy a range of products and services. The mainnet and the Hook sidechain use the same interface for the ledger framework and the consensus mechanism, as pointed out by the Hot Pocket developer. It is anticipated that developers, teams, and corporations will have a smooth transition from the XRP to the Hook sidechain. With its parallel architecture, the Hook sidechain will be a great place for R&D to accelerate the development of the XRP ecosystem. Jake also stressed the great potential of Hook sidechains for speeding up R&D activities. In addition, Jake emphasized how hooks will enable XRP users to easily extract more value from the network. The more popular the Hook sidechain and related solutions like Evernote become, in his opinion, the more XRP will be recognized for more than just being a gas token. As a result, XRP will become a crucial asset in the XRP ecosystem due to the network's applications, user base, and liquidity. If you want to be the first to know what's going on with XRP, make sure you subscribe to our channel and enable notifications. The SEC has taken down a sizable chunk of William Hinman's biography just 8 days before his emails are due to be revealed to the public. The biography of Hinman, the former director of SEC's Corporation Finance, is available on the SEC's website and provides important information, especially about his job experience. On the SEC website, Hinman's biography only mentions the time period from May 2017 to December 2020, when he oversaw the agency's Corporation Finance division as its director. Members of the XRP community are reacting to the news as they wait eagerly for the release of Hinman's emails. In the next 8 days, the SEC plans to release an unredacted version of Hinman's emails, and many XRP supporters believe this is an attempt to throw Hinman under the bus. It's important to note that Hinman's emails have become pivotal evidence in the SEC's case against Ripple. You may recall that after Ripple was charged for breaking U.S. securities laws by the SEC, the major blockchain startup asked for drafts of Hinman's 2018 lecture in order to strengthen their fair notice defense. Although XRP was one of the top 3 cryptocurrencies at the time, its legal status was ignored when Hinman determined Bitcoin and Ethereum to be not securities. The SEC made every effort possible to prevent the release of Hinman's files to Ripple. Despite the Commission's best efforts, Hinman's documents were declassified. Following a joint request for an additional week, Judge Annalisa Torres last month refused SEC's plea to seal the contents of Hinman's emails. The court ordered that all of Hinman's emails and other records related to the summary judgment be unsealed on June 13, 2023. As a result of these optimistic projections, famous traders have seen bullish indications in XRP's charts, indicating the possibility of a large upward advance. In a sign of growing investor optimism, XRP just recorded its highest weekly close in over 55 weeks. In particular, prominent crypto trader and analyst 360 Trader recently tweeted that XRP's rise is legitimate, drawing attention to the fact that the asset has established a motion to advance despite the general market's volatility. This was pointed out by 360 Trader, who referenced a weekly chart showing that XRP had broken through the 50 cents resistance level. By the end of the week, XRP had officially conquered the 50 cents area, with only the 60 cents zone remaining as an obstacle. The price of 58 cents represents the final level of opposition. According to 360 Trader, XRP was a major focus. After breaking beyond the 58 cents barrier, continue on an excellent run. This barrier represented the prior opposition to XRP's March rally, which was halted when the price of XRP fell from 58 cents on March 29. To reach new heights, Trader and Y, two well-respected analysts, agree that XRP must first break through the current level of resistance at 360. Y warned on May 29 that for XRP's bullish run to continue, the cryptocurrency's price needed to close above 55 cents to 58 cents. The fact that XRP just had its best weekly close in 55 weeks was also confirmed by Crypto Bull, another skilled chartist. It's worth noting that at market closure last week, the asset was worth 50 cents. This accomplishment had not been reached by XRP since the first week of May, 2022. The tremendous opposition XRP always faced at 49 cents has been removed now that the gap has closed. In its current price range, XRP is looking to break through the next barrier at 58 cents. According to 360 Trader and Greg, a break above this level would signal further positive movement. Positive feeling has been prevalent recently as XRP continues its spectacular run, and new developments in the SEC versus Ripple litigation are likely in less than 2 weeks. An anonymous trader known as the Flow Horse recently brought attention to XRP's tendency to rally by pointing out the asset's launch-looking setting. According to the Flow Horse, an unusual buying pattern has emerged on the XRP spot market. This brings us to today's big question. What are Ripple's odds of winning the lawsuit? If you want to be the first to know what's going on with XRP, make sure you subscribe to our channel and enable notifications. John Deaton, a notable XRP lawyer, recently published his predictions regarding the current lawsuit in light of Ripple's recent victory against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, putting light on the probable outcomes with an emphasis on the percentages. Deaton explained what could happen and what it could mean if Judge Annalisa Torres makes a decision. He gave the SEC's chances of winning 100% less than 3% and said it was highly unlikely they would succeed. According to Deaton's calculations, Ripple has a 25% probability of a clean victory if the judge does not view early XRP sales as a violation. Deaton claims that the judge's decision on whether to let the jury decide whether or not Ripple got fair notice is the most contentious issue in the case. The lawyer mentioned the significance of the issue to the XRP community, citing the fact that over 76,000 XRP holders joined as amicus and submitted a brief highlighting the alleged secondary market sales. Deaton voiced his dismay and disappointment, saying he couldn't believe the judge would dismiss the argument about secondary market sales. Even if the judge found that Ripple had broken the law, he was certain that XRP itself would be considered not a security. In the event that the judge adopts a pragmatic stance, as Deaton hoped he would, he contended that it would not apply to sales on the secondary market. Deaton suggested a 50-50 chance. The attorney foresaw a finding that would prevent secondary market sales made after 2018 from being considered securities because they did not violate the Howey test during their continuance. This, according to Deaton, would be a huge victory for Ripple since it would open the door to a post-judgment settlement. Deaton explained that a judge's decision is not necessarily the end of the case when pressed on the topic of its finality. Instead, it might be used to decide whether or not a jury trial is necessary. Importantly, the judge might decide to finish the matter with a win for one party or send it to a jury trial. Deaton's analysis of the various scenarios showed how complicated the Ripple lawsuit is, and how improbable it is that Ripple or the SEC will emerge victorious. This video has already concluded. Guys, if you liked the video, click the like button. Please subscribe and enable notifications. See you in the next video. Bye.